Hi, thanks for being here today and working on this project with us. My name is Jaysane-Darr, and I'm an assistant professor of anthropology at MCLA. Hostile Terrain 94 is a global pop-up exhibition put on by the Undocumented Migration Project, which is a nonprofit organization based out of Los Angeles. It is also a long-term anthropological study of the complex social process of undocumented migration at the US-Mexico border. What you're here to do today is to fill out these toe tags, and each one represents someone who has lost their life while crossing the border in the Arizona desert. Over the next few months, these tags will be filled out by you and other members of your community and then transported to a wall map depicting the Arizona desert at the border. On that map, these tags will be geolocated in the exact coordinates where each person's body was discovered. Once the wall is finished, there will be roughly 3,200 toe tags hanging from red map pins. The main point of this project is to get people to come together and participate in this activity of writing down the names of those who have died in the Arizona desert and to bear witness to this humanitarian crisis at our border. We want to acknowledge these deaths and remember that these people are not just data on a sheet of paper. We also want to shed light on the US Border Patrol policy that caused this. In 1994, the policy known as Prevention Through Deterrence went into effect, and it essentially heightened Border Patrol enforcement at more populated urban ports of entry. This subsequently forced migrants to cross over more dangerous natural environments, funneling them into lands that the Border Patrol themselves deemed as hostile terrain. The government believed that this would discourage people from attempting the journey, but instead, it has turned the Arizona desert, as well as the wilderness of Texas, into a weapon that has taken the lives of thousands over the last 25 years. So as you begin to fill out the toe tags, I'm here to give you some initial instructions. Please use black pen only. We found that ballpoint pen is the best to prevent smudging. The information for the tags are on spreadsheets inside each envelope, and the spreadsheet header corresponds to headers on the tag. Please copy the text from left to right. You'll find that there are both white and gray rows on the spreadsheet. We'll copy the white rows onto a manila tag, and those represent an identified individual. You'll copy the gray rows onto an orange tag, and those represent an unidentified individual. Please copy the text exactly as it is written on the grid sheet. If a name is written last name, first name, please write it as such. If a name is written first name, last name, please write it as such. If there is a lot of information for one box, squeeze the text as much as you can. If you make a mistake, don't cross it out. Please grab a new tag from the pile at your table. Throw away error tags when you are done. Put all finished spreadsheets and tags in the envelope, and please do your best to stack them in the order you fill them out. At the end of your session, please organize your workspace. If you have completed all of the tags in the envelope, turn it into your instructor or facilitator. If you are leaving an envelope incomplete, place the completed tags in all the spreadsheets inside. The next volunteer will begin on the spreadsheet where you left off. If you would like, you are welcome to write a note, message, or drawing on the back of the tags that you are filling out. And thank you again for participating in the Hostile Terrain project.